Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix verification field. There was an error connecting to the server, Apple ID server. So let's get started without wasting any time. As you can see, error is coming again and again on my iPhone XS Max. So let's go to the solution. First of all, open setting, scroll down, type in general, then scroll down, type on date and time, and turn it 24 hours, and also turn on set automatically. So go back and we try now. As you can see, error has been solved. Thanks for watching.